Hi there. Washington, D.C. is a great place to work. Many people here work in government and politics, but there are many other jobs. You can work at a hospital, a university. You can work in a coffee shop. Wait a minute. I think I see a friend of mine. Pete, is that you?
Hi, Anna.
You look different. Your beard is really big.
You don't like it, do you?
No. You just look different. So what's wrong? You look sad.
I don't have a job.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
I do not have a job.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Pete.
I don't have a skill.
Everyone has a skill. You need to find yours.
I don't know, Anna.
Pete, I am good at asking questions. Let me ask you some.
Really, Anna? Can you help me?
I can't hear you.
Yes, I can. Let me help.
Sure, Anna. Maybe you can help me.
Can you write code?
Sure. C-O-L-D. How is this going to help?
No, not cold. Code. You know, for making phone apps or websites, you can make tons of money writing code.
Tons of money? But I can't code.
Next question. Can you drive?
Do you mean drive a race car? It's really hard to be a race car driver. First, you need a race car.
No, I mean drive a taxi or drive a bus.
No, I always fall asleep when I drive.
No, that's not good.
Do you mean drive a race car?
No, I mean drive a taxi or bus.
Next question. Can you teach? You can be a teacher in a school.
No, I cannot teach.
Can you cook? You can be a chef in a restaurant.
No, I can't code. I can't teach. I can't cook. Anna, I can't do anything. This is sad. I'm gonna write about my feelings in my blog.
You write a blog?
Yeah, I write a blog.
How many followers do you have?
I don't know. 59,538?
Pete, that's a lot of followers. You can make money writing.
Writing is easy. Everyone can write.
Not everyone can write well. You can be a writer.
I can be a writer? I can be a writer. I can be a writer! Thanks, Anna!
Hi, Pete. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Marcia. Excuse me. I have to go.
Where are you going?
I'm going to be a writer.
Good luck, Pete. He does know that it's not easy to be a writer, doesn't he?
There are many different jobs you can have in Washington, D.C. Pete wants to be a writer. I wish him luck. Lots of luck. Until next time. Hi there. Washington, D.C. has some great coffee shops. My favorite is this one, Busboys and Poets. Actually, it's more than a coffee shop. It's also a bookstore, a restaurant, and a theater. Marcia and I love coming here.
Hey, Anna, my friend is having a party on Saturday. Can you come with me?
Sorry, I can't come with you. I have to get my driver's license.
Will you be busy all day?
I don't know. First, I have to take a test on the computer. Then I have to take a test in the car.
Listen. Can you come with me?
Speak.
Listen.
I'm sorry, I can't come with you. Speak.
But you have to take the test during the day, don't you?
Yes.
The party is at night.
Oh, then I can come with you to the party on Saturday night.
Great! I have to help my friend with the party. Can you help me?
Sure, that sounds like fun.
Everyone has to bring something or do something. You can bring food or you can perform.
Really? I can perform?
You can. Can you?
Yes. I can recite poetry. A poem. Light, dark. Light, dark. Darkness, dark.
In this country, nobody recites poetry at parties. Can you do anything else?
Yes. I can do a card trick. Your card is the 10 of diamonds. No? Pick a card, any card. Here, just pick this one. Okay, great.
Anna, maybe you can just bring food.
No, I can't cook. And I really want to perform. You know, there is one thing I can do. Trouble in mind, I'm blue, but I won't be blue always. The sun's gonna shine in my back door someday.
Listen.
Everyone has to bring something or do something. Speak.
Listen. Really? I can perform?
Speak.
That's it. You can sing at the party. Now I have to go shopping for food.
Can I help? I'm not busy right now.
Sure, let's go.
We have to go. I have to help Marcia shop, and I have to practice my song. Trouble in mind, I'm blue. Till next time. Washington, D.C. has 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn, or fall. My favorite season is summer because of summer vacation. Hey, that will be a great subject for my new work assignment, the children's show. I can teach what families in the U.S. do during summer vacation. Today, I am planning the show with Amelia. This is the first time we are working together. I hope we can work well together. Hi, Amelia.
Hi, Anna. So, what are we going to talk about on the first show?
I want to talk about summer vacation.
That will be fun. Are you going on vacation this summer?
No, this summer I am too busy.
That's too bad.
It's okay. I can go on vacation next summer. This show will be a lot of fun too.
Listen. What are we going to talk about on the first show?
Speak.
Listen.
I want to talk about summer vacation. Speak.
So, Anna, what's the plan for the show?
First, we're going to introduce the subject. Then, we can show pictures and video.
We can show tons of video.
Right. We can interview children and have guests too.
Kids can ask us questions.
Great idea. Finally, we can read the questions and tell them where to learn more.
Okay, let's try it.
Let's do it.
Listen.
First, we're going to introduce the subject. Speak. Then we can show pictures and video. Speak.
Hi there, and welcome to... Amelia, we don't have a name for the show.
We'll think of a name later. For now, we'll call it The Show.
Great. Hi there, and welcome to the show. Today, we are going to take you on a summer vacation. You will see popular things to do on vacation. One is camping. When you go camping, you cook, sleep, and play outdoors.
When I go camping, Anna, I like to go hiking and fishing.
Me too. Those are fun things to do when you go camping. These people are hiking.
Okay, let's talk about the next vacation.
Another popular summer vacation is going to an amusement park. At an amusement park, you go on rides and eat lots of fun food.
I love cotton candy.
And roller coasters!
This show is going to be a lot of fun.
I know. This is riding a roller coaster.
Woo! What is the last vacation?
One of the most popular summer vacations is going to the beach. I love the beach! When I see that blue ocean, I want to leave Washington, D.C. immediately and go to the beach. Maybe next summer.
But right now, it's time to work.
Right. Until next time.